You go to Cambodia for what? Study Cambodian. What? It's easy to learn Cambodian from anywhere. You just go to the website khmerlessons.com and choose a tutor. That's it. Really? What's that easy? Yes, of course. I'm learning Cambodian with them too. Can I cancel the flight?
Hello guys, welcome back to learn Cambodian with my channel, and I'm Dara from the Khmer Lesson. Today I have a new lesson for you. And in this lesson, everyone will learn the meaning of the word the same in Cambodian language. In English, you use the word the same, right? The same or same. But in Khmer, there are few different use of the word the same in Cambodian language. As you know, some students know already, when you use the word the same, you will hear the word ដូចគ្នា ដូចគ្នា or ដដែល ដដែល and another one you say ដូច ដូច Actually, this word, the meaning, it means the same, but how to use differently. Okay, so in this lesson, you will learn the word ដូច ដូចគ្នា and ដដែល for the word the same in Cambodian language. Okay, so right now, if you are ready, let's go to the lesson. Right now, let's start. So here are the meaning of the word the same in Cambodian. Like number 1, you say ដូច number 2, ដូចគ្នា and number 3, ដដែល Now let's start from number 1 is ដូច So when you use ដូច for the word the same, it means when you use the same as. The same as. And when you say ដូច it means when you compare two or more things. So after the same as, you need one more object to compare. So in Cambodian, the same. After ដូច you use one more thing. Okay, now let's see example. Example number 1, you say my phone is the same as yours. My phone is the same as yours. ទូរស័ព្ទខ្ញុំដូចរបស់អ្នក ទូរស័ព្ទខ្ញុំដូចរបស់អ្នក So ទូរស័ព្ទ is phone. You see, phone. And ដូច is the same as your phone. So you see, after ដូច it means your phone. But you use possessive pronoun, so you just say របស់អ្នក and you don't need to use the word phone again, right? So again, ទូរស័ព្ទខ្ញុំដូចរបស់អ្នក And if you would like to use phone in the sentence for your phone, you will say like this. You say ទូរស័ព្ទខ្ញុំដូចទូរស័ព្ទអ្នកណា and in case you would like to say your phone. ទូរស័ព្ទខ្ញុំដូចទូរស័ព្ទអ្នក But this one you use possessive pronoun. Okay, so you have to say របស់អ្នក and you cannot silent របស់ណា for possessive pronouns we always use all, the whole word. But now let's see example number 2. Example number 2, you say I have the same problem as you. I have the same problem as you. ខ្ញុំមានបញ្ហាដូចអ្នក ខ្ញុំមានបញ្ហាដូចអ្នក So មាន is have and បញ្ហា is problem. បញ្ហា And then in English you say same problem. In Khmer you say problem first and then same and then you. In Khmer you say I have the problem. I have a problem the same as you. But in Khmer you use in this way. Okay, one more time. ខ្ញុំមានបញ្ហាដូចអ្នក So you see, I need you compare two things. My problem and your problem. อันนี้ how to use ដូច how to use ដូច So you see, after ដូច you need a object one more นะ one more object. But here number 2 how to use ដូចគ្នា ដូចគ្នា But when you say ដូចគ្នា just same only. And even you compare 2 or more things as well. And if you ask me what is គ្នា But គ្នា the meaning in Khmer it means each other. អានេះគ្នាណា each other. So it is same as you say the same each other. The same each other. But and one more thing you should know, you see, after though you use គ្នា so and we consider it as an object already. So when you say ដូចគ្នា you cannot use any other object after គ្នា anymore. In spoken you can say and we still understand but it's not correct nah? It's not correct. So when you say ដូចគ្នា you can add nothing but just ដូចគ្នា but now let's see example. My car and your car are the same. Okay, my car and your car are the same. So you see after the same nothing else. But in Khmer you say ឡានខ្ញុំនិងឡានអ្នកដូចគ្នាឡានខ្ញុំនិងឡានអ្នកដូចគ្នាបាទ and it is the same as the previous sentence like my phone is the same as your. This sentence you can change to that form as well. So you can say if you say my car is the same as your car. But so if you would like to use in that way you will say ឡានខ្ញុំដូចឡានអ្នក So you see you cannot use ដូចគ្នា anymore. You can use only ដូច and then you use ឡានអ្នក as an object. បាទ So this is the difference between ដូចគ្នា and ដូចណាបាទ Okay, let's see example number 2. We ate the same food today. But we ate the same food today. So I need we compare I and maybe my friends, but we. But so for example, today I eat fried rice, and she or he eat fried rice as well. So we compare. We ate the same food today. But in Khmer you say ថ្ងៃនេះយើងញ៉ាំម្ហូបដូចគ្នាថ្ងៃនេះយើងញ៉ាំម្ហូបដូចគ្នាបាទថ្ងៃនេះ is the word today I use at the beginning បាទ and ញ៉ាំ is eat but I use past tense at បាទ in Khmer okay we still use the same word ញ៉ាំបាទញ៉ាំ and ម្ហូប is food បាទម្ហូប is food. Okay again យើងញ៉ាំម្ហូបដូចគ្នាថ្ងៃនេះ or ថ្ងៃនេះយើងញ៉ាំម្ហូបដូចគ្នាបាទ But this is how to use ដូចគ្នាបាទ in Cambodian បាទ Now go to the last point is the same as well but we not ដូចគ្នា but we say ដដែលបាទដដែល But in this point a lot of students still use this incorrectly ណាបាទ Okay, let me tell you. When you use dial, it doesn't mean you compare two things or more things. But when you do the same thing as before, you do the same things as before. But for example, yesterday you eat fried rice, you ate fried rice. And today you eat fried rice as well. Even if it's not the same fried rice as yesterday, but it's the same dish, right? It's the same dish. But so in Khmer you say ដដែលដដែល Okay. Now let's see example. See you tomorrow at the same time. But see you tomorrow at the same time. For example, we meet each other today at 2 o'clock. And then tomorrow, okay, we still meet at 2 o'clock. But so I need like time is the same. Time is the same. But so and in this case we say ដដែលណាដដែលបាទតោះ So this sentence you say ថ្ងៃស្អែកជួបអ្នកពេលដដែលថ្ងៃស្អែកជួបអ្នកពេលដដែល You see, it doesn't mean we compare about time today and time talk for tomorrow. But just 2 o'clock is the same as 2 o'clock. But So in this case we never say ជួបអ្នកថ្ងៃស្អែកជួបអ្នកពេលដូចគ្នាអានេះ we understand but the right way the correct one we say ដដែលណាដដែលបាទ Khmer people sometimes they say ម៉ោងដដែលបាទ it's the same hour ណាបាទ you can use that word too ម៉ោងដដែល or ពេលដដែលបាទ Okay let me read for you one more time ថ្ងៃស្អែកជួបអ្នកពេលដដែលបាទពេលដដែល and example number 2បាទ example number 2 I ate the same food today បាទ I explained you before already it means like yesterday I ate fried rice and today I ate fried rice again បាទ but yeah different fried rice but it's the same dish ណា okay so in this case in Khmer you say ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំញ៉ាំម្ហូបដដែលថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំញ៉ាំម្ហូបដដែលបាទ because you don't compare to with any someone else but just you mean like oh I eat the same food today បាទ good so អានេះ you say ដដែលណាម្ហូបដដែលបាទ But that's all for the lesson and I hope everyone understand clearly of using the word the same in Cambodian language. But so after you watch this video, I hope you will use this word correctly. ណាបាទដូចគ្នា and ដដែលបាទ Okay, so if you have any question or still not clear but with some points from the lesson, just let me know in the comment section and I will try to answer your question. But again, thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.